Hi there, my name is Alex, and as you probably know, I'm building a conversational programming tool called Jarvis. In the past few weeks, I've been working on some further improvements to it, and I'm going to show you some new things. As you can see here, we're in a park, we're in Belgrade, it's New Year's Eve, so I wanted to end up 2018 by demonstrating some new things that you can do with Jarvis. So let's start. Tell Jarvis to define a new blueprint.
How would you like to name your blueprint?
Parks.
Please describe what kind of service would you add to your blueprint?
To save data to a database. To save data to a database.
I found you a service API Lambda save dynamo, and it needs a table name. What should it be?
Parks.
Great. So your table name will be Parks. Your service API Lambda save dynamo is ready. Would you like to add another?
Yes, I would.
Please describe what kind of service would you add to your blueprint?
To get one data from a database. So to get one data from a database. So it's working.
I found you a service API Lambda get one dynamo, and it needs a table name. What should it be?
Parks.
Great. So your table name will be Parks. Your service API Lambda get one dynamo is ready. Would you like to add another?
No, thank you.
Great. Blueprint modification complete. Your blueprint name is Parks. Its services are API Lambda save dynamo, API Lambda get one dynamo.
Okay, now we want to deploy this application. So I'm gonna just gonna say, tell Jarvis to build me a Parks.
Deploying your Parks and creating it right now. Please check in a minute or two.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now, I have my CloudFormation console open up. So as you can see already, it's being deployed, and it's creating all these services that we defined. I mean, this process is gonna take some time, but as you can see, it's creating Parks. We have created a database called Parks in the first one, Lambda say DynamoDB. The second one is connecting to it. This is why it asked for it. And in the next few minutes, as you can see, it takes maybe 2 or 3 minutes to deploy it. As you can see, I've also been using Alexa over the phone, and you can also use Jarvis over the phone as well. So you can, while you're here in the parks, you want to do a list of parks, or you want to do a list of cars, or whatever you're working on, or whatever idea you have, you will be able to actually create applications using voice, serverless applications. So let's wait a few more minutes. So one is already finished, API Lambda say DynamoDB. The second one is being deployed as well, and soon enough we should be able to see, the second one is complete. Now it's going to complete the whole app, and so that's it. So as for the end of the 2018, I want to show the whole process of how you can define a blueprint of a software and deploy it. And I know it sounds like a simple example, but actually you can define any component that you have in a serverless application repository. It's able to understand it and deploy and connect them all together. Like you heard, it was asking for the table name, so you can define such specific parameters and have your customized application. So for example, just to demonstrate also again, if we clicked on one of these services, you can click the resources and you can see DynamoDB table Parks. So this one created a database. You will see that there is no other database there present. If we go back to the stacks, and you want to see another one where you can say API Lambda get one DynamoDB, and you will see that this one doesn't have a DynamoDB because it actually didn't create one. So yes, so for example, this API is able to, you can save any parks or get one parks from the database. So one park from the database. So thank you very much and talk to you soon. Bye bye.